All right, welcome to Auguste Escoffier School of Culinary Arts Online. I'm Chef Austin Yancey, and today we're doing some quick pickling. A little different than this slow pickle. This is done quickly, and it's a cooked pickle. Great for a quick, using it that day or using it that night in dinner. Obviously, we need an acidic ingredient. That's what pickling is. It's a preservation technique originally. Now we use it for flavor. And you'll notice here, 6% acidity. The different vinegars that you can find, champagne, balsamic, white wine vinegar, champagne vinegar, this happens to be red wine vinegar, will have different levels of acidity. So you'll find one that works best for you. Any type of vinegar will work. I like red wine vinegar because the shallots are red and it really helps the red coloration that you see here. That's called an anthocyanin, and when it's applied to a nice red acid, it turns bright pink. So it'll look beautiful when they're done. Also, the sugar is a really great balance against the acidity. Any type of herbs that you want, this is oregano, chive, some thyme, some herbs off of our chef's garden. You could use dried, you can use fresh, any kind of herbs that you want. And I like to wrap it all up in a cheesecloth bag here. We call that a sachet in French cooking, and that's to hold all the ingredients together so they're not floating all in the pan. So we're gonna tie up these herbs in what we call a sachet to stop them from floating all over the pot. And again, any herbs that you want can be used. I just make a little pile in the center and then be sure to pull the edges, making sure that none of them can escape. And then we usually have a string or something to kind of tie them. Now we're just gonna clean it up. We call that a sachet. So what we've done is gone ahead and reduced down the pickling liquid, evaporating the liquid, concentrating the flavor and those sugars. So what you'll see is it makes a nice, thick, rich, decadent liquid. And we can now use this as a dressing. So we have a little bit of olive oil here to just mix with our red wine vinegar. And I think it's important when we are plating food that we do it elegantly, but we also make it make sense. So that dressing is going to be really nice against this acidic kind of pickled flavor from the shallots. So instead of eating just pickled onions, we're going to turn it into a pickled onion salad. They look beautiful. Take our dressing here. Just dress the onions. Fresh pepper. And some nice greens here. This happens to be parsley. There's dried parsley in the pickling liquid, so why not use some nice fresh parsley leaves for garnish. So elegantly pickled and then turned into a salad. Pickled shallot salad.